What are the benefits of installing EV chargers in the parking lots of multifamily and commercial buildings? Electric vehicles are becoming an integral part of the mainstream automobile market in the United States. However, the lack of quick, convenient and safe charging stations for electric vehicles remains a key barrier for many potential customers. Therefore, commercial and multifamily building owners are now focusing on providing EV chargers in the parking lots to their employees and residents. Installing EV chargers in parking lots can offer owners and residents several benefits such as: first, employees, residents and customers can readily charge their vehicles while they reside or work in the property. Second, it can help the real estate industry reduce carbon emissions and meet overall sustainability goals. Third, building owners can stay ahead of the EV demand curve by integrating charging stations in their parking facilities. Fourth, it also improves the asset position in the market. Fifth, government incentives at state, county and municipality levels provide financial support to building owners. Demonstrate a strong commitment towards sustainability by installing EV chargers in parking lots. Learn more at eaton.com/EV chargers.